Today I am reviewing the Sony WH-1000XM6, the best noise-canceling wireless headphones. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for the best wireless noise-canceling headphones on the market today, the Sony WH-1000XM6 stands at the very top of the list. Sony has refined its legendary 1000X series once again, and this latest generation doesn't just improve, it redefines what premium audio and noise cancellation can be. With new hardware, smarter processing, and tuning by professional mastering engineers, the XM6 is the gold standard for immersive listening. Let's start with what Sony is best known for: world-class noise cancellation. The WH-1000XM6 introduces a brand new HD noise canceling processor QN3, which Sony claims is up to 7 times faster than the QN1 chip used in the previous XM5 model. This upgraded processor works together with 12 microphones strategically placed across the ear cups, optimizing in real time to block out a wide range of ambient sounds, from the low hum of airplane engines to the chatter of a crowded cafe. The result is an astonishing level of silence, allowing you to completely lose yourself in your music, your podcast, or your thoughts. What makes it even more impressive is the new adaptive NC optimizer. This smart system continuously adjusts the noise cancellation based on your environment, whether you're walking outdoors, flying at high altitude, or wearing glasses or a hat. It even adapts to changes in air pressure, ensuring consistent performance wherever you go. Pair that with auto ambient sound mode, and you have a setup that can intelligently let in important sounds, like announcements or conversations, without you needing to take the headphones off. Now let's talk about sound quality, and this is where Sony has gone above and beyond. The WH-1000XM6 was co-created with world-renowned mastering audio engineers to deliver studio-grade accuracy. Inside, a specially designed driver with a lightweight carbon fiber dome ensures clear, detailed, and balanced sound across all frequencies. Vocals come through rich and natural, while bass is deep and punchy without ever overwhelming the mids or highs. Every instrument feels distinct, and every note feels intentional, true to the artist's original mix. If you're an audiophile, you'll appreciate that the XM6 supports high-resolution audio and high-resolution audio wireless, thanks to LDAC technology. LDAC transmits roughly 3 times more data than standard Bluetooth codecs, meaning you get near-lossless quality when streaming from compatible devices. It's the closest you'll get to wired studio sound in a wireless design. Sony has also taken major steps to improve call quality. The XM6 uses a 6-microphone AI-powered beamforming system with advanced noise reduction and wind-resistant design. Whether you're taking a business call, talking to friends, or recording a voice note outdoors, your voice remains crystal clear while background noise fades into silence. Beyond performance, Sony continues to set the standard in comfort and design. The WH-1000XM6 features a wider, asymmetrical headband wrapped in smooth synthetic leather for an incredibly soft feel. The ear cushions are plush and pressure-relieving, designed for all-day wear, whether you're on a long flight or working at your desk. The stepless slider and seamless swivel mechanisms make every adjustment smooth and precise, so the fit always feels just right. Portability and convenience haven't been forgotten either. The XM6 sports a foldable design and comes with a compact carrying case featuring a magnetic closure. The materials feel premium yet durable, ready to accompany you wherever you go. Battery life continues to impress, offering up to 30 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. And if you ever forget to plug it in, a quick 3-minute charge gives you up to 3 hours of playback, thanks to USB-PD fast charging support. The headphones can connect via both Bluetooth and a 3.5mm audio cable, so you can use them wired if you prefer or when the battery runs low. Altogether, the Sony WH-1000XM6 is the complete package. It delivers superior noise cancellation, studio-quality audio, excellent call performance, and industry-leading comfort in a sleek, travel-friendly design. Every feature, from the adaptive noise optimization to the low-latency LDAC audio, feels carefully engineered for one purpose: to give you the best listening experience possible. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a music producer, or simply someone who appreciates exceptional sound, the WH-1000XM6 delivers on every front. Sony has once again proven why it leads the industry in headphone innovation. These aren't just headphones. They're an audio experience crafted to perfection. If you're in the market for headphones that combine power, precision, and polish, the Sony WH-1000XM6 is absolutely worth it. Once you put them on, you'll understand why these are the new benchmark in noise-canceling wireless headphones.